Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So the previous video we had discussed about certain tips and tricks that help you to stay inspired. In this video, I'm going to be telling about certain websites that act as excellent sources of online inspiration. You can check out all of those websites, right? And you can gain a lot of inspiration and motivation for your creative journey. So let's get started. So the first website is Dribbble. Now this is a website which is really popular among designers. What you can do is you can find a lot of inspiration here, related to designs based on every kind of designs of various category. But also what you can do is once you create some design and you want to upload it to some social platform, what you can do is you can just upload it here. So it's going to be like your online portfolio, right? So as you can see that this is the feed of Dribbble, and here we get a lot of designs which are based on different kinds of categories. Some are based on typography, some are based on illustration, some are related to logo design, some are related to like website design and whatnot. What you can do is if you want to search for a particular topic, you can just search for it. But before that, you just need to sign up with your mail here. And then what you can do is these are all the popular designs. Okay. You can also filter your search results. And also you can do what is you can search for designs which are based on different categories. Let's say I want to search for designs which are based on some mobile designs. What I will do is I will just click on this, and now I will get all the designs which are related to mobile. Now how this works, like let's say I want to view this design, I can either just like this design or I can just save this design. Okay, so I can just click on it and it's just going to give me or show me the screenshot of this design. So it's not you cannot have the experience of this design. You can just have the shot of how this design is going to look on a mobile device, right? Also what you can do is you can have a look at more designs by the same particular person. Also you have some similar designs, as it says that you might like these designs as well because these are somewhat similar to what you liked, right? So let's say I want to search for something like this. Let's see how this is going to look. Suppose I'm going to build a mobile application that is something like this. Maybe it is showing how much battery is remaining on my phone, and you just saw the animation, right? And it's so cool. It's the dashboard of the application. Here you can see the battery, you can see the climate of that particular place. You can see what updates you have and what not. It's also showing the location. You have all the various other information like the wind speed, the air supply direction, the auto climate and all that. So this is how you can just create a weather app. Like let's say you are on a road trip and you want something like this so that you can get an idea of what's the climate of that place like, and how much you have driven already, what is the wind speed and all that. So this is how that app is going to look. So suppose you are building some application which is similar to this, you can take a lot of inspiration from this. Now obviously you cannot copy designs, but what you can do is you can take ideas, you can just take inspiration, and you can just be super motivated and start your design process. So this is how Dribbble actually works. If you like this design, you can save this for later, or also what you can do is you can just click on this like button. Also, if you have certain feedback related to this design, you can give your feedback, you can share this design, and also you can just have a look at the details of the shot. You have a lot of designs here based on everything. This is again based on UI UX design, web design, branding, right? Suppose I'm just creating something which is related to this, I can have a lot of inspiration. And here you get the screenshots or the short animations, just showing how is this design going to turn out. So this is how Dribbble works. So you have a lot of designs here. You can just surf through all of these, right? If you just like any of these, you can just save for later use. So this is the first website which I wanted to show. The next website is Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is more like a social media platform, but here you can actually find pins and which are basically designs. But it's more like, you should always do a targeted research, a targeted search on Pinterest, because this has a lot of other things as well. It's not that much targeted to just design. So suppose I want to just go for, let's say, mobile design. What I will do is I will do a very targeted search like mobile design, and automatically I get certain suggestions: mobile design inspiration, mobile design layout, UI. Let's go for mobile design layout and let's see what are the search results that we get. And you can see we get a lot of search results. So this is also an excellent website for finding online inspiration. But just as I said, that since it has a lot of other things, other than just finding creatives or designs, what you should always do on Pinterest is always do a very targeted search. Okay, let's say I like this one. And as you can see, this is from Dribbble. Okay. So what you can do is you just have a very short video which just shows you how this is going to look. You can watch this again, you can send it to someone, you can just save it, and you have all the other information related to this particular design. Let's say I want to search something related to like website layout. Let's say website layout. I'm just going to do this search and let's see what search results we have. So we have various search results. You can just go for any of the one you like let's say I just want to go for this one. So you can see that this is for a website that is based on social media marketing. So you can follow this person who has shared this design. What you can do is you can save it, you can create boards with all your saved designs. So this is how Pinterest is going to work. Also, what we can do is we can just get more ideas how this particular design is going to look on various platforms. So this is the second website, that is Pinterest. The next website which I would like to show you is Behance. And it's more like an online portfolio site, because here you can actually create your designs and you can share them with people, and it's going to be like an online portfolio. Often your clients might ask you to share your Behance link if you have any, because it's, as I said, it's like an online portfolio, right? So again, you need to sign up, and it's mainly by Adobe, right? So what you can do is you can search for anything that you want. You have a lot of designs, again, based on several topics. Again, let's say I just want to, maybe this time I want to search for something. Okay, and when you just want to search for something, you get that you can filter your search results. Either you want to search projects, you want to search images, you want to search prototypes, or you want to search related to people or mood boards. So you can filter your search results based on that. And like, let's say I just like this illustration, I can just click on it and you can get the how this design is going to turn out. You can save this. You can also view more designs which is similar to this, right? And also what you get here is the design in different color combinations, and that is pretty cool, right? And also what you get here is, and I would say this is very helpful, that you actually can see how this design is going to look on various platforms or on various objects. Like if, let's say, you want to paint this design on a wall of a restaurant, this is how it's going to look up. It is going to turn out like this. Also, if you just want to place this design on different backgrounds, this is how you can do it. So it's very good, I would say, for finding online inspiration. Again, you have so many kind of illustrations, and yeah, this is a menu card. Let's see how this looks. So this is how it's going to look. You can see the client name, the type of work, and all that. So this is basically a website that is of that particular restaurant. You can see how this website can turn out. You have different images related to that website. You can just check this out. This is the menu card that you can design. Okay, if you appreciate okay, and this is the menu card again. If you appreciate someone's design, what you can do is you can just hit this button, which says appreciate. You can also save this, and also since this Behance is from Adobe, what you can do is you can just export this design through, to different Adobe, across the different Adobe platforms like Lightroom, Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign. You can directly export this, you know this this creative, this design, through all the different Adobe applications, and then you can make your necessary changes. So it's a very important feature for those who know how to use Adobe applications, right? You can use InDesign, you can use Photoshop and all that. The next website which we have is Patterns, and it's mainly related to mobile applications or mobile designs, as you can see. And one thing I must say is Patterns is not entirely a free website. So you need to upgrade to premium version so that you don't get ads and you have unlimited access and all that. So this is how different mobile applications actually look. And nowadays there is one application or one mobile app that is actually very, like many people are using this, and that is Duolingo. I hope you already know this, and this is an excellent app that actually helps you to learn various languages. So here you can see that it actually shows you the screenshots of each and every different page of the Duolingo app. Okay, so like, suppose you want to, view this page. So this is the Duolingo language lessons. So if I just click on it, obviously I'm going to get ads since this is not a premium version. So let me just close the ad. Okay, so this is the page which is related to Duolingo language lessons, and if I just click on any of these, what I can do is you can just see how this page is going to look. So what you essentially get here is you get inspiration for all the mobile designs related to various mobile applications. It's mainly for mobile devices. These are the different pages of the Duolingo app. You can take inspiration from this if you want to create something similar. Again, I would say that do not copy. Okay, you can just take inspiration, you can just get motivated and try to create something similar but not the same thing. Okay, so this is how Patterns work. And next I will like to show you is the website named Awards. And here also you can actually, view all the different designs, again based on various topics. But one thing very interesting about awards is, like, let's say I want to search for something related to restaurants. Suppose I want to build a website, a restaurant website. What you can do is, once you search for restaurants, I get all my search results. Suppose I like this one. So what I will do is you can directly share this to LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook. You can share this with someone else. But what I will do is I will just click on this particular design, and this is the design. So here you have this particular restaurant. You get, this is a Japanese style inspired restaurant. So you get the details. Also what you get is the related tags, that is in case you are building something related to food and drinks or hotel and restaurant or photography, animation. So these are the tags that that can be related to this website. So these are the related tags. Also these are the color combinations that you are going to get for this particular, in this particular niche. So like, let's say, and these are the people who have actually voted for this website. Now let's say I really like this website and I just want to get the feel that how this particular design is going to look on a real website. So what I can do is I can just click on it, and then you will be taken to a page where you actually can see how this looks on a real website. So this is the website URL, and as you can see that the entire design has now been reflected to a real website. So you have your menu here, right? So you have the home page, the about page, catering, gallery, and all that. You have the contact details here. You have this navigation bar here, and then you have this beautiful image here. What you can do is you can scroll down your website and then you get all of these pop-ups. If you want to view the menu, you can just click on this button and you are redirected to this. You're directed to this particular part of the website. Suppose you want to see what they have on their dining menu. I can just click on this particular image and then I will be taken to another page where you can just view what they have for their, for their dining menu. And this is very useful. This is the speciality of this awards website, is that whenever you like a design, you can actually have the real feel that how this design is going to turn out on a particular website or on a particular mobile application. So it's very important because it can actually help you to realize your ideas. So these were some of the websites which I wanted to show you from where you can gain a lot of online inspiration. Please do not copy any of the designs that you find online. What you can do is you can take inspiration, you can try to create similar things based on this on the inspiration that you get. So this is all for this video, and we have also come to the end of the inspiration module. Let's meet you in the next module. Thank you.